Going on YouTube, this '05 Silverado, the small little door in the back. Let me show you real quick. When the handle that goes right there, that broke, and the little green tab that goes inside holding the bottom latch to open broke. So this panel right here, you're gonna have two 6mm screws inside that dirty ass hole right there. One there, one there. And then this whole panel just snaps right out, right? You see the clips right there that go all the way around. I had to go to the junkyard to get this this handle because the original one, this piece right here, it broke. So you see that one has it right here. So all this piece does right here, when it's on here, it just pushes on this tab right here. This is already loose, so that broken tab, all it does when you open the handle, it just pushes on this tab right here. So that pulls. You see that pulls the top open, and then it also will pull this one, which is the bottom latch. And you have two 10mm bolts right there holding that. And I was gonna detach that one from there, but I'm gonna try to do it without it. It's my first time doing this. I just went to the junkyard and got those two pieces. So once you take out those two 10s, just come down, just kind of tilt it and try to let it just pass through underneath right here. Pull it too much, but there you go. So right there, you can barely see it there probably. I don't want to pull too much, but right there is where you have that green piece that is broke, which is going to be this piece right here. This is how it looks, and I am guessing it will go in there like this, right? And once it's in there, then I'm gonna put this in there like this, and then turn that and clip it on. All right, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand, but it's just pretty much so you guys can have an idea of what you're looking for. Does this have a little number on it? I don't think so. Some people try to use, I think, the ones from the back tailgate, but I don't think it's the same. So let me see if I can what? Put this right here and see. Nope, it's not gonna work. I'll be right back. Alright, so it looks like I was able to pull this out a little bit and just kind of rest it right there. I pushed that green tab out, so this is gonna be for the bottom one. So I don't know if to put it on here first or will it go in when I try to maneuver it. So I already know it goes in that way. So if this is this way, it's gonna go towards the outside. Let's see if I can push this in the hole. I'm gonna push it in. It's pushed in, so you want to have it up this way. So when you have this bad boy in there, but I don't want to put it in now because then I won't be able to get this back in. So just make sure you keep this up like that, because when you slide this one in the hole, you bring this back and clip it on. Be right back. Make sure you have this rod inside there before you wiggle this back in there. I try to put this rod before I put this back in place, but it can't. It was not gonna fit when you twisting and turning it. So the green clip is in there. It really can't see. Let me see. I really can't see out here because of the sun and the glare. Okay. It's gonna be towards the top over there. I don't see it yet. There it goes, right there. So, you guys get the idea. I can't really do this holding the phone. I need both my hands, so you see I don't got those 2 10s on there yet, but let me see if I can get this hooked on there. I'll let you guys know real quick. Alright, I just put it on. I pushed it back like this, how you see, because being in there, it was not, because I guess the length is like perfect to fit, right? So I was able to come around on this side and kind of like take a peek. See if you guys can see it. It's right there, right up here. Right there. See that rod coming up? Right up there. You just gotta feel for it. When you feel it go in the hole, just push it in and then bring the green clip and snap it right into place. So will this, yeah. So the rod is in place. Just put this right back. Let me just leave this a little bit loose because it looks like the holes right here. You have to move this around to get this in. So hold that right there. These, let's see if I can get the side of these real quick for you guys. Gotta set this down real quick.